What's up guys, Pedro here, and on today's video we're going to be racking the wine that we did almost 2 weeks ago. Coming up right after this. Hey guys, Pedro here. Today we're going to rack our wine that we made almost 2 weeks ago from the primary fermenter into a secondary fermenter. But before we do that, we're going to dissolve 2 pounds of sugar in a half gallon of water. So let's get to it. Okay, so I'm going to dissolve 2 pounds of sugar in a half a gallon of spring water. And we're going to add it to the wine once we rack it. Okay, so we're going to transfer the wine from the primary fermenter into the secondary fermenter. I've got this screen cloth that I bought at a homebrew store years ago. Actually, I've never used it before, but getting ready to use it for the first time. Hopefully it'll work good. Just gonna, like I said, that's gonna capture all the grape seed, or well, there are actually some seeds in there too, I'm sure. The grape skins especially, any kind of junk that I don't want in there, that'll capture it, and then you want to squeeze that out of there too. And then we're going to add the sugar that I dissolved earlier, since it's probably about cool by now. Add that sugar in there, and then we'll go ahead and put the lid and the airlock back on the secondary one, and then it's a matter of time from there as well. I haven't looked at it yet, so this might be scary. Oh, no. Actually, it's not. And there are some seeds floating on top, actually. We're going to pour it slowly because I'm afraid it's going to pull that mesh thing down in there. Oh, and of course I get a cramp right when I'm getting ready to do this. Oh, it smells good. It really smells good. Now, there's a bunch of sludge at the bottom there. Uck-a-doo. Yeah, that looks kind of gross, but man, that smells good. Let's see. I did this outside because I promised my wife I would. She was afraid it was going to spill and get everywhere. Oh boy. Oh, and she was right. I can't believe that is holding that much fluid in it. I don't know. Let's twist it a little. Of course, I washed my hands and cleaned everything. Wow, I just thought of something. That's probably all the stuff is clogged up. Yeah. I should have done a little at a time. Note to self. Do a little at a time next time. I thought that screen was big enough that that wouldn't be an issue. Oh, good thing. Oh shoot, I put some good shorts on too. She'll kill me if she comes home and sees me in my good shorts doing this. I'm always ruining my shorts, whether it's painting or just getting grease on them. Oh yeah, don't spill it in there. Don't get on the shorts. Don't get on the shorts and I'll live to see another day. Dang, it smells good. It smells like it'd knock your socks off right now. Okay, I'm gonna add the dissolved sugar. And I've done some research, like I believe I told you guys before, this is my first time making wine. And so this is a journey for me. So you guys are coming on my journey with me. It sure smells good, I'll tell you that. Let me go get that sugar water. I actually put ice in it to help cool it down quicker. And I'm going to go ahead and add the other half gallon of spring water. Okay, and the reason I'm adding the extra water, which I wish I had grape juice, I'd add grape juice. But I did some research and they're saying that you should, yeah, the jug's dirty but not the inside, that you should fill it back up within 2 inches of your fermenting container. So that's what I am doing. I really didn't want to add water to dilute it. I wished I had some grape juice, but I didn't have any. So we're going to put the lid back on it. Get the airlock back on it. And we're going to put it back in the corner of the kitchen where it was. So that's it for today's video. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and share. And if you're new here, consider subscribing.